So first and foremost, I'd like to thank my first supporters on Buy Me Coffee. I'm over the moon. So thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Hey everyone, this is Anna here, and today's tip would be on throwing with porcelain. This is about 6 pounds of frost, Laguna Frost porcelain. And you can see that I started out pretty good. It was very centered, straight, but then in a matter of a second, it started to wobble. And my tip is to use 2 metal ribs to remove the slurry whenever you're throwing with porcelain. And in this case here, as you can see, I used the ribs, and then I had to resort to my torch because it was getting really wobbly. So the torch is a very effective way to make your pieces become more sturdy by drying a little bit quicker and removing the moisture. I do that for my larger pieces. I had to remove a little air bubble there, which is very frustrating sometimes. But I go right back and use my ribs again in combination with the torch, and you can pull that to center again. As you can see here, the wobble is gone and it's ready for trimming. Thanks for watching.